You need some help installing BlueDevil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Gang, welcome back to the BlueDevil Products Garage. BlueDevil Engine Cool, especially formulated to reduce your engine's operating temp by up to 25 degrees, and it's really simple to install. So with the engine off, you want to remove your radiator cap. I shouldn't have to tell you this, but I am. Don't remove your radiator cap when the engine is hot. You know better than this, right? Your system is under a lot of pressure, and coolant is extremely dangerous to that temp. So let it cool to avoid any injury. Now, once it's cool, you simply just add 1 bottle, 16 ounces, right? You add that to your radiator, 1 bottle treats your cooling system of up to 5 gallons. So once it's installed, you replace your radiator cap, start your engine, turn your heater on max, and run your engine for 15 to 20 minutes to allow complete circulation of the product. Really, that's it. For maximum performance, add BlueDevil Engine Cool every 20,000 miles. So drive your life and live leak-free. We'll see you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the BlueDevil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.